Hello everyone, welcome back. Okay, so I have an American 1105 here that Randy Perkins sent me. Randy, thank you again for all the locks you sent me. I really appreciate that. It's got a pretty good bidding on it. I'm not sure if this is a challenge lock or not, but I'm going to pick it open, and if it's not a challenge lock, I will probably make it into one because I'm going to be starting to make some challenge locks. So, but before we do that, we're going to pick this one open. Alright, focus it in. Okay, alright, we'll go top of the keyway with this Peterson pry bar in 40 thousandths. And I think I can get this steep hook in there. I got enough room between this warding without having to come off the side ledge here. And I think one might have got a click from him. We got a decent false set. I think that was off of 5. Give her some more feedback. I think it's pin 1, little corner rotation, and we're open on 1. Okay, well, let's see. Like I said, I don't believe this is a challenge lock, so let me take that off so it'll focus in back there. Alright, what do we need? Oh, just a Phillips. Okay. Yes, and these screwdrivers do fit down the shackle hole. That's cool. Alright. It's got room for a 6-pinner, I believe, but it's not. So we got the key. Let's lock it back up. Okay, let's get this clip off of it. It's one of these. But it's not too bad, I don't think. Yep, not too bad. Cool. Alrighty then. Let's see what we got. I think I better shim it anyways. Alright. Might have to turn it this way. And use the back end of this. Well, where's my key pins? Way back there. That's not going to work either. Alright, let's go it like this. Hopefully it will be okay. Alright. Yep, there's only 5 pins in it. So I would have met. Oh, there's a lot of serrations in there though. Already. Key pin 2 is very high to the top, almost at shear line, but not quite. Alright, but 1 is a serrated, 2 is serrated, 3 is serrated, 4 is serrated. They're all serrated. Oh, except for 5 is standard. And there's nothing done to the core. So up here in the Bible we have one is it's a nice spool serrated, so they do have some nice pins in them already. Might be just missing a little bit of work in the core, but like I said, I don't think this is a challenge lock. Another serrated spool. Well, like I said, I'm not sure what the common pins are in these. I'm sure somebody there knows, and you comment me. Another nice serrated pin in 3. Another serrated spool in 4. And number 5 is another serrated. So they're all serrated except for a couple serrated spools. Nothing done up here in the Bible. Yeah, I'll give it a quick peek at the pins. They aren't bad pins at all. Yeah, the pins aren't bad at all. I mean, all the key pins are all serrated except for 5. And in 1 we have a serrated spool, 2 serrated spool, 3 is a nice serrated, 4 is another serrated spool, and 5 is another serrated. So yeah, it's actually a pretty decent lock. So yeah, there's the American 1105 that Randy Perkins sent me. Again, Randy, thank you for the lock. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, comment below. And for everybody else, if you don't have their permission, don't open it. Thanks, guys. Bye.